Alright, we're going to be tearing apart this Tahoe. So we're going to get to the belts and try to figure out what's squeaking. So you need to take that 8mm out here. There's a 10mm here, 10mm there. There's usually 10mm down here and here. And then you can pull this shroud out of here. You got to work the radiator hose out of the way. And once you have that off here, you got to get this one here. Use a screwdriver or 8mm. Alright, so we took the belt off. You release it on this tensioner here. Put the belt in a bucket of water and soaked it. We're going to take this pulley off of here. Let me see if it's got issues. So a lot of times when I take these pulleys off, a bunch of dirt and crap will fall out of it. And this one's no exception. So just look for that, because that could be your problem. I've hit a mosquito trying to get me under here, which is really annoying. And flies. I can't really spin it and hold the camera at the same time, but this is probably the noise.